In this video, I will show you how to link bank accounts with PayPal. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is head over to the PayPal website and log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your home screen, and from here to link a bank account, what you want to do is come up to the toolbar at the top and click onto the wallet option. Now, once you're on your wallet, this way you can come to actually link a bank account. If you look at the top, we got an option to link a bank. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a window like this. First of all, you need to choose your bank from the list, or alternatively, you can use the search box and search for your bank that way if you can't see it in the list. Once you've done that, click onto agree and continue. And then what you need to do is scan the QR code, which is going to come on screen. So if you get your mobile phone, you just want to open up the camera app, scan that QR code, and once you've done that with your camera, it's going to provide you with a link which is going to enable you to connect your bank. What you now need to do is follow the steps on your mobile device, on your phone, and what that's going to do is finish your setup and link your bank to PayPal. So at this point, it's generally going to ask you to log in to your internet banking, and all you would do is basically follow the steps on your mobile device. Once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to finish connecting on PC, and it's going to set up a direct debit instruction as well, so you can make and receive payments. So once you've done this, what you want to do is come down, click the agree and add button, and what that's going to do is add your account. Now, I've already linked this bank account to another business PayPal account, so of course it's not going to let me do it, as you are limited to the maximum number of PayPal accounts that you can link a bank account to. But once you've done that, that's going to go ahead and link your bank account with your PayPal account. So that is how to link your bank account with PayPal. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.